Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic correction on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down, select System and tap on Languages and Input. Then Virtual Keyboard, currently used keyboard, in my case Gboard, and finally Text Correction. Scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Autocorrection feature. Autocorrection is now turned off. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!